Okay, so very quickly, this is just a test video and also a review video. I'm just trying to see if this setup is perfect or not for reviewing small stuff like these. So yeah, this here is a very cheap roadside earphone. That's what you can call. I legitimate got it from a guy who was sitting on a roadside on a pavement and was just 50 rupees. This earphone cost me 50 rupees. It's from Robotech, no good company, maybe, I don't know. And the headphone, I mean the earphone says Mega Bass Series Super Techno Plus. That's a lot of yellow and whatever. So the packaging is simple. It's a Ziploc type package with hard plastic. And on the back, it says features offers full range, super sound, lightweight, flexible design, inline on-off switch, super class sensitive console microphone. Oh my god! And caution: please wear earphone correctly. L for left and R for right. Okay, that's very good and generous of them. Please adjust the volume properly to avoid damaging your hearing. It's really nice to know that people are actually stating that if you get listen to a earphone very loud, you're gonna damage your hearing. That's it. Let's just open this up. So it's gonna be simple. Just pop that thing open, and here I have. That's it. It's basically just empty. So keeping this to the side, this is the earphone. 50 rupees, you are not gonna get expensive stuff. No paperwork, no nothing, no what should I say, cover or anything. So with this wire to the side, we have the earphone. It's a straight type 3.5 mm jack, no L shape, and it's not braided or flat or anything like that. It's just normal. It can get stuck pretty easily. Wow, this thing, this is legitimate Nokia style. I don't have a Nokia earphone right now, but this thing is Nokia style, and my camera is just not focusing at all. Yeah, so TP, wait, Robotech TP. It has no relationship with that. Anyway, it does not say much. So yeah, very cheap, very cheap, and it says troops, TP troops, but the okay. So the packaging is one, and I got another different earphones. I mean, wait a second. Wait a second. There is no L and R. I mean, seriously, they have not mentioned L and R anywhere. It's super cheap, and they didn't even bother mentioning the L and R. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. This earphone, I tested it using. When I bought it, I immediately tested it, and it sounds horrible. I mean, if you spend 300 rupees or 200 rupees on a earphone from Flipkart or Amazon India, you're gonna get a very good earphone. Even the smart buys, which is cheaper, around 300 something, they're really good. Now there's the me earphones, I forgot the name, and also also Boats, not JBL, Boats. So there are these 2 3 earphones which are also really good, but this is horrible. I mean, in a dire situation as of mine, my Sony earphone broke. Okay, okay, so this is my Sony earphone which I used for last a year and a half. You can see I put it in a case. I got this for around 150 or something. The worst part is these are awesome. They are just awesome, but here I'll show you. here my wire kind of got broken inside, because of which I'm not able to listen to music anymore in my good headphones, and I desperately needed one just so that I could drive. I mean, I could, we shouldn't be using earphones while we're driving and all, but yeah. But yeah, I actually kind of needed another earphone. So only in dire situation when you have no other option or you desperately need one, you can just live with this. This is horrible. I can assure you. This 5-6 minutes of video was just like that. It's raw footage. I didn't edit anything. Okay, there's no editing, no nothing. I just basically paused and just did that. This review might be the worst review you have ever seen in your entire lifetime, but I can assure you it's not as worse as this earphone. Once again, thank you for watching the review, and I hope to improve my setup and everything very, very, very soon. That's it. See ya.